Hello all and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am the Virtual Thug 9. Today, I will show you how to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Let's get straight into it. First, go to www.photopea.com. Link in description. Hit new project and enter the width as 1280 and height as 720 pixels. Then, hit the create button. You will be presented with a new canvas. Then open a new tab and find any good background. Then, save it. I already have a background. Then you can enter any font, images, or anything you want. I have created the thumbnail for this video. Cool. Now, export it and enjoy.